Right here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free $25,000 profit account that you can get immediately, and I'll be showing you how you can actually withdraw your profits and the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to withdraw your profits. All you just have to do is to watch this video to the very end and make sure you do not miss any parts, because any part can be very crucial. All right, so now the first step you have to take in order for you to get this free $25,000 profit account is for you to go to the description of this video or the comment section. Click on the link that you find there. Immediately you click on it, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel, which is where you'll be getting the link to this website right here on the screen, and this is where you have to pay full attention. But before I start, I want to say a big congratulations to the people who were able to claim the free $10 no deposit bonus account I dropped yesterday. And for those of you who haven't gotten your own, you can still get it right now because it is still available and it is backed up with withdrawal proof. I bet you don't want to miss out on it. So now that you are done claiming your $10 no deposit bonus, in case you blow your account, that is why I'm making this video, so that you can continue to claim this free $25,000 profit account. Now, before we start, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because what we offer here is totally free. We offer free no deposit bonuses, free profit accounts, and free money making updates. You don't need money to join us. Join us and make money with the kings. So now that you've gotten to an interface like this by using the link in the Telegram channel, all you have to do is to fill in the right details, which includes your first name, your last name, your email, your country, and your phone number. And it is available for all countries. So make sure you enter everything rightly. Let me just do mine, and I'm going to get back to you shortly. Before we proceed, while entering your password, make sure you enter a very secure password so that your account will not be hijacked. All right, so once you are done, just click on accept and click on register now. And as you can see, the number is not valid, so make sure you enter a valid number. All right, so let me edit it and proceed. So once you are done, click on register now, and immediately you click on register now. As you can see, registration is now successful. Now this is where you'll be taken to, and I want you to focus. As you can see, there are a lot of promotions that they are currently running for everybody. There are a lot of offers on ground. There is a competition account in case you are interested, and there is a affiliate resources. As you can see, this is an affiliate resources right here, and this is the competition right here. But before I show you how you can actually get your free $25,000 profit account, let me guide you through some important things that you have to know. So now, for example, if you want to join a competition account, all you have to do is to click on this competition account, and once you click on it, right here there is no competition that is available, and you can just check the upcoming. There is none. Click on join. There is none. So right now you cannot be able to sign up for the competition. So the next thing for you to do is for you to click on this window icon by the left side. Okay, click on this window icon, and in the middle of this video I'm going to be explaining the terms and condition for you to be able to withdraw, how you can actually get it. All right, so now these are the certificates of people who have already withdrew, who have already passed this challenge account. And this is not a competition account, it's a profit challenge account. This is it right here. So it has been locked. So now click on this window again. This is where you'll be looking at your performance. After you've claimed the account, you will come here to check whether you are obeying the terms and conditions you ought to obey. Okay, so this is where you'll be getting everything. So now, without wasting too much of our time, let me show you lastly the affiliate resource. So just click on affiliate. Immediately you click on affiliate, it will allow you to be able to become their partner, and through this you can also earn more money. You can refer people to join them, and if people deposit their money into it, you'll be able to make more money. But that's not the reason why we are here. So let's just head on back. So to get this free $25,000 profit challenge account, all you have to do is to click on rewards. So this is rewards right here. I know that a lot of you are familiar with this kind of account, and you have issues with the point, accumulating the points. A lot of people find it very difficult, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the solution to your problem. All you've got to do is to watch this video carefully. All right, so now click on rewards. So immediately you click on rewards, this is where you have to pay full attention. I repeat, this is where you have to pay full attention, because if you miss any step around this part, you are not going to be able to claim this free account. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get points, because you are going to be claiming the $25,000 Profem Challenge account by using points, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get those points for free and how you can redeem those points to purchase the $25,000 Profem Challenge account. Now it is very simple, it is not that difficult if you watch this video step by step. To get these points, all you have to do is to scroll down. So scroll down, as you can see, to get 40 points for this particular tax, you have to follow them. You have to follow this particular platform on TikTok. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that. Immediately you follow them on TikTok, all you've got to do is to take a screenshot of you following them on TikTok. And also, as you can see right here, it is optional. You don't have to do anything right here. You don't have to do anything right here. Normally they want you to post a link there, but you don't have to do it because it is optional. So after you've taken the picture or the screenshot of you following them, all you have to do is to upload it right here. So let me make an example for you so that you won't be misled. All right, so let's follow them on TikTok. Let's go to our TikTok to search for the name of their platform, which is X Funded. So let's go there. So as you can see right here on the screen, I'm already following them, and this is the name of their platform on TikTok. So what you've got to do now is for you to take a screenshot. So I've taken the screenshot already. So now let's go back to the platform where we'll be getting our account. So let's click on upload a screenshot. Immediately you click on it, click on the picture you've taken. So just click on done, and immediately you click on done. As you can see, the tax, you have to click on this so that the task can be completed. So click on task complete. So as you can see, it is already completing. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. As you can see, the task has been successfully completed. So now if you come here and maybe like refresh, you'll see that the point will be hard. Your point will be hard. You are going to be receiving a 40 point. And the reason why you haven't been able to receive it yet is because it is still pending right here. Okay, it is still pending. So these are the things you will do naturally. Now, there are some things here that you cannot be able to do. All you've got to do is to go to your ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT how to perform those certain tasks, and it's going to tell you how you are going to do it. So immediately you are done doing them, just come here and carry out the tasks. So as for this one, it requires a particular platform called Discord account. I hope I'm not wasting your time. I just want you to get this very well. All right, so we've gotten 40 points right there. Let's get another 200 points. Now, in order for you to know whether your point is enough or not, let me show you. I'm going to be showing you very brief, but let me just guide you on how to do this. To do this, all you have to do is to invite 100 people to the X Funded Discord. It is simple. You can just post it on your status. You can post the link of X Funded on your status by using your referral link. And I'm going to show you how to use your referral link. Okay, I'm going to show you that. If you need anything, just drop it in the comment section. All right, so also come here, go to your Twitter and repost and comment on the X Funded pinned post. All right, they've pinned a particular post on Twitter, so you have to go there and repost it, like it, and comment on it. So these are the things you have to do. So if there are some things that you don't really understand how to do, just go and ask ChatGPT and it's going to guide you through. So now let me show you the point you need. So in order for you to know the point you need, just click on rewards. So immediately you click on rewards. As you can see, this is a free 1,005 instant funded account. This is a free $25,000 account. So this is it right here. This is it. Now immediately, as you can see, this is insufficient point. Immediately you've gathered the requirement point, all you have to do is to redeem by clicking on this insufficient space. It's going to bring out redeem points. So you click on redeem, and immediately your account and your login details will be sent to your account, will be sent to your email immediately. Okay, it will be sent to your email immediately without any delay. All you have to do is to look for 1,006 points, and if you think it is too much, you can just go for this 3-step challenge account, which requires 1000 points. So there are a lot of accounts that you can actually go for here. If you can't take that one, you can go for a free $10,000 Profem challenge account. These are different accounts. This is a 600 points that you can actually go for. So once you've gotten it, the terms and conditions you also have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw will be dropped in your email. All you've got to do is to watch this video and go and perform the task immediately. I know that this task seems very difficult for you to do, but it's actually not difficult at all. Just follow this video and ask ChatGPT to help you solve some problems, and you are going to get your account. If you need any help, come to me in the comment section. Do not abuse me. Come to me in the comment section. I'm telling you, if you abuse me, I'm just going to hide you away from the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all, and once again, congratulations to those of you who were able to get your free $10 no deposit bonus account yesterday. If you are still interested in getting it, go ahead and claim it. I love you all.